This is 1820 Birdsong Road, and it's down a long driveway. It's across from that cemetery. The numbers are non-sequential. In this house, the roof looks pretty good. The trim needs to be painted. There's some exterior carpentry right there that needs to be done, of course. Great neighborhood. It's got the old style windows, landscaping, and they're marketing this house as occupied when of course it's not. There's some wood rot there. Walking around the side. There's the side here. Looks like the land drops there. There might be a creek or something down there. Check, see if it's in a flood zone. We're coming around the back of the property. There's two storage sheds and another big hole. Damn it. All right. This is like an extra dwelling. This is great. Mother-in-law or teenager. Nasty bastard. All right, in the back, the newer looking heat pump. The patio, the brick patio has got some structural stuff going on that probably have to be jackhammered out and re-poured. The big oak trees. That heat pump looks pretty good. I love this second little house. This is terrific. Okay. And then some more outbuildings down here. Like a little pond site for the neighbor. Dog kennel, oil tank, and an old van. What more could a person want? Rotted door on the back. Looks like the power is on. This is Dominion power. Nice two-car carport. Piano. On the inside of Birdsong Lane, here's another hole for me to step in, if you can believe that. All right, living room. Nice green carpet. Formal dining room. Here's the kitchen. Tile floor. There's the laundry room. Complete with the 3-blade fan. 3 out of 5 isn't bad. Another tile floor. This looks like the well apparatus, which is missing, of course. Just not there. And this is either the fuses or the breakers. Breakers, 200 amp breaker box. Going back up. That is termites. All right. Family room, fireplace. Here's a sliding door, it's fogged. Old style windows. Looks like you may need a little chimney work. Foyer. Full bath. Old style. Kind of 70s retro. Completely fixable. All right. And a bedroom. Pull down attic. Another bedroom. Got some stuff going on with the ceiling. Another bedroom. And another full bath. Beautiful green color. That's it. The door's missing.